Car dealership fails, part 2. And today will be interesting story. Today is the auto detail day. The Shelby Beast is getting that right now. And my good friend Saul, with his mobile auto detail service, doing a great, awesome job. So, as you can see, the big Diamond Beast in the back, Shelby Beast in the front. It's pretty cool. Does a great job. I love it. It's always nice to see it clean, you know. Usually out in Las Vegas, it gets very dusty, and with an extra tender love and care, it's all, you know, can be taken care of. Do it. Yeah, and man, let's see here. Now that the cars got cleaned up nicely, on both auto detailed. So here we have Shelby Beast and also the Diamond Beast, nice, safe, and sound. That's my neighbor back there. He has a badass Raptor too. You know, I would see if he wants to do video too. It'd be kind of cool to compare the two trucks. Hey, you know what? Let me start this Diamond Beast up for you guys real quick. It's funny, you know, you at the dealership and there's my coffee cup up there, and you're checking out your own car. It's kind of hard not to look at your own car, because you know we expected it ourselves, you know, with the exception of this Starbucks cup, of course. But man, I can't stop looking at my own car, which is kind of an ego stroker. But you know what, man? Why fight it, right? Do it. Just like iRobot with this color. It's the V10 Plus. So you guys know I have a love relationship with our Audi R8. It's my first exotic car adventure. I wouldn't mind having it again, to be honest with you. I have another story that's pretty cool. Well, it's kind of funny actually. This is the part where I was used to struggle. You know, I was like pretty much a homeless, and I have a pretty bad credit. I think my credit score is around like 500, 512, if I was lucky. So anyway, I went into this car dealership with my used car dealership with my cousin. You know, the guy's running my credit, and I can hear the machine. You know, back in the day, it's like it's a long printout, man. My credit score, you know. And I didn't know the difference between good credit or bad credit, and certainly did not have the education or or any kind of parental guidance, if you will. So I went to a car dealership thinking my credit's okay or whatnot. I didn't even know what's good or bad, right? So anyway, but it's bad. So the guy looked at the credit report and he yells out, "You pay nobody," you know, like. I mean, I understand I was probably a bad prospect, but man, you didn't have to yell out like that, right? You don't have to yell out and insult me and make me embarrassed. You just pull me aside and go, "Hey, listen, you know, we have an issue with your credit," whatever, right? Like, there's so many, you know, so many ways you could disclose that. You don't have to insult people, but I think the salesman is pretty douchebag and douchey. And he made sure I can feel, you know, like crap all day. And he blurted it out, and everybody's staring at me. And man, it's just bad experience, you know. And I understand part of it's my fault for not having good credit. But you know what? It's not necessary to insult people, you know. Always in my credit score now is much better than that. So, you know, I give that credit to my wife, of course. But listen. Car dealership fails. There are plenty of stories. I'm sure you guys have some stories too. I would certainly love to hear some. I always think it's funny, man. You know, you try to go buy a car, doesn't matter what price, you know, but you meet like a car salesman or car dealerships that or always looking for low-hanging fruit, and some just go straight out to even like insult you. I mean, it's just kind of interesting, you know, and bad. And I do sales for 30 years, man. I would never insult anybody, you know. You know, and the funniest thing about it is that he ending up working for me about a year, maybe a year or so later. I ended up running a mortgage company, and he came in looking for a job, and I had to tell him. In fact, I didn't even remember him, but my cousin pointed him out for me, and yeah, he ended up working for me. That was interesting. If you like the video, what I'm talking about, and something like this happened to you in regarding to car dealership fails, let's hear it, man. You know, comment down below. I love to hear it. I read all the comments. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram, by the way. Hashtag Pony Diamond. Anyway, I'm gonna end this video. Thank you so much for watching, Pony Diamond. And this video is about car dealership fails. See you on the next video. Do it.